Wait, you can use Grok AI for almost free, and nobody is talking about this.
Listen carefully, because this might save you money and unlock powerful AI tools at the same time. First, you need an X account. If you don't have one, just create a new account. It only takes a minute. Now, go to your profile. Click on the More option. From there, select Premium. You'll see different payment plans, but here's the trick most people don't notice. Choose the basic premium option. It costs around $2 to $2.50 for a limited period. Yes, just a couple of dollars. And once you activate it, boom, you get access to Grok AI. Now here's where it gets interesting. You can use Grok for things like content creation, video ideas, and even video extension features. This means you can actually start creating high quality content for almost nothing. Think about it. People out there are complaining they don't have tools, they don't have money, but you now have a way to start with just a few dollars. So it's really your choice. Do you want to keep waiting for everything to be free, or invest a tiny amount and start creating right now? Because honestly, $2 is nothing compared to the opportunity. If you're serious about content creation, this is one of the cheapest ways to get started. Don't overthink it. Take action and start creating today.